Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good to be here.
Absolutely. All right, today's question. Gary, what are my rights if the insurance company says my car is totaled?
Yeah, and we're back to our Google questions. I would have thought this would have been way up the list.
Well,
We're getting down to the list where we're kind of repeating ourselves. But so this comes up whether you hit a deer or run into a tree or your kid backs it into the garage, or whatever. I mean, this is any situation. So there are two perspectives. One is, am I making a claim on my insurance? So I've done something to destroy my car.
Yeah.
And so the insurance company then comes out and says, we're going to total it. Now, nobody wants to hear that generally because that means you're now car shopping. So what are your rights? Well, you're going to argue about fair market value. And the fair market value number is going to be a number 70% of the fair market value. So it doesn't have to cost 100% or more of the value of your car to total it. So if it's close, they're going to probably total it. And so if you're dealing with your insurance company, you have the right to be treated fairly under your contract. So number one, you need to read your insurance contract. Good luck finding that. Nobody even has that, right?
No, not all.
Do you know where it is?
No.
You should, but
Right.
but you don't, and I don't either. So we can find it. But get it and read what your rights are. But one of the things you can do in Georgia anyway is if you disagree with their number, you can fight them about the number. You can say, look, your number is 10,000. I say it's 15,000 what the car is worth. That's a big number, but you have to put all of this in writing. That's where people mess up.
Yeah.
They don't put things in writing. They think they can just talk this through, and they can't. Under Georgia law, you have to give 60 days to your insurance company to do the right thing, and then you have some other rights that accrue that then you have vested, okay? But it doesn't happen with a phone call. You've got to put everything in writing. So yes, you can argue about it. You better have some good facts to argue about it about. There's a whole lot on this. Honestly, we have blogs on my website.
You've written a lot.
I've written a lot about this. I've done legal breaks about fair market value, diminished value after it's repaired, and your rights to get attorney's fees and penalties if they don't act in good faith. So you go to our website, GaryBruceLaw.com. You can find information on this, or call a lawyer. Call us. We'll try and walk you through it. But it's problematic.
There you go. Thank you, Gary. See you on the next Legal Break.